In jungle survival, the ability to cook hot meals over an open fire is a critical skill. This demonstration shows primitive stone cooking methods used in tropical wilderness environments. While this uses prepared ingredients for teaching purposes, the exact same techniques work with wild-sourced meat from hunting or fishing and foraged vegetables. The stone griddle method you'll see has been used by indigenous jungle communities for thousands of years and requires no modern equipment. Notice the flat stone cooking surface. This is fundamental primitive jungle cooking. The stone must be non-porous to avoid explosion when heated. It reaches temperatures of 200 to 250 degrees Celsius, hot enough to properly sear meat and kill all bacteria and parasites. In a real survival scenario, this technique works with any protein source: fish, small game, even insects, and any starchy food like wild tubers or plantains. The two-stone fire setup creates stable heat and allows temperature control. This complete jungle survival meal provides approximately 900 to 1100 calories, critical for maintaining energy in hot, humid environments where your body burns significantly more calories than normal. Hot cooked food serves 3 survival purposes: kills parasites and pathogens, delivers essential calories and nutrients, and boosts mental morale, which is vital for survival psychology. The stone cooking techniques demonstrated here are essential wilderness skills that work in any jungle or tropical environment worldwide.
To Survival Atlas for more extreme environment survival.